Meg. It's not the same without you, Meg. Ah. Ah. Oh. Ah. Ah. My goddamn leg might have broke. What the? Mail? At Scout store. Why the hell is there mail here? Maybe he just got mail and it never got delivered to him. Well, I guess I'll put it right here. Where are you, Scout? Ah. Okay, yeah, I had a feel we were being watched last night. But by who? And where?
Oh, are you okay? Death, I'm starting to think you're going crazy.
Listen, Rose, I ain't going crazy. I really think someone's watching us. Oh.
Oh, hi, Nightmare.
Ugh. Oh, hey, Rose. Death. Scout's also missing. What? First Meg, now Scout? Where the hell are these jumbo jambos? I don't know, but I'm not too sure where they are, bro. We might have to find them. Where the hell could they even be? I'm getting up. Ugh. Okay, alright. Death's getting up. Oh, come on, we gotta go look for them now, don't we? Oh yeah, that's true. Rose, you even coming with us anymore?
Oh, no, bro. I just sleep here now. Oh.
God damn it. Alright, Death. Where the hell are you even going? I swear Meg was here. That's still in the water, really? What? Oh. That's still there? Yeah, looks like it. That's weird. Well, let's go back now. Okay. Oh, geez, your scout weren't even over there. Alright, let's just go back in here. Maybe we'll find clues. What? What? Death. Yeah, what's up? There! Oh, shoot. He did keep some weird things in here. But I don't think they're too... What the hell? Oh my god! Do you think Zombie Wolf's in there? Well, he came back to life or some shit. Hasn't he before? Yeah, it was actually scary as hell. Well, if it is Zombie Wolf, he's trapped in there. Because for some reason he can never open it himself, so I'm just gonna open it. Oh no. Yeah, I was gonna open it. Well, I'm getting closer, okay? I'm getting scared now. Alright, here we go. Okay, I have a feeling it's about to blast the other way. It was those footsteps! Jesus, I'm surprised if anyone survived. Well, there's no one even there. Shing. Ah. Ah. Oh, hey, guys. Guys. Ah. Guys. Hey, you guys are. You're Meg! You're alive? Yeah. Death, what the hell's going on with you all of a sudden? Are you good? Okay. So you're alive, huh? Yeah, I survived. How the hell did you even survive? You died. I swear you died, right? I don't know, really. I don't know how I got here. Okie dokie, then. Meg's alive, and the others are gone. Wait, is Scout gone?
Oh, hi!
Oh, hey, Rose! Okay, well, at least she's still here. Yeah, I'm going out. Okay, yeah, you just do that. Wait, our beds are probably still here. Let me go check. I'm finally gonna have a roommate again. I'm so lucky for you. I have to sleep with my sister. And tough luck. But yeah, whatever. Okay, I'm surprised the ladder has not collapsed yet. Where is everybody? Wait, isn't that... Oh god, are you good? Oh no, every time this shit happens. You guys going to bed? Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, we are going to bed. We're liars. Shing, I already knew about you. Okay. Okay, let's see. The moment of truth. My bed's still there. Yippee! Oh, let's go. I got Meg back. Yep, my bed is still here, and Nightmare still gets... Wait, hold on, didn't... Wait. Oh! Did you steal my blanket? Yeah. What? I can keep it, can't I? Oh, yeah, why not? Like, come on now. You're in pajamas, for God's sake. Anyways. Ah. Great. Huh? At least she's back.
Oh. Okay, it's time to sleep.
She sleep? She's sleeping. I can do evil things now. Oh, that is it! Wait a second. That boat wasn't over there before. I bet someone's up to no good. I feel it. I got my powers back. I know someone's in there. Oh my god! Scared the living daylights out of me. What the hell? Who the hell's bagging that hard on my... What the hell is that? Oh shit! Death! Jack. Oh my god, he's gone crazy. I gotta load this quickly. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh no, you don't. Oh. No shit. Did I just kill him? Oh god, I might have just killed him. Hey, deaf buddy. You okay? Death! It's me! Jack! Ah! Shing! Oh my goodness! What the hell is he? Ah! Ah! Shing! Jack! Shing! You made me mad now. Shing! Wait a second, Death! I can explain! It was just a misunderstanding! Yeah! I don't believe that, Jack. Death, no! 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 There we go. I had to get it all out of me. Get this off. I gotta get the hell out of here. Cannot tell anyone just happened. Get out of here. Oh shoot. I gotta go back to bed. Wait. What the hell? My man. My man. Are you good? Who the? Are you okay? I have been here for many days. My name is Martin. I'm deaf. You know, I really gotta get going. Well, how are you? Are you doing good? Well, not really, but I am pulling through. Well, that's good to hear. Say, your friends know you're out this early? No, but I'll be back when they're awake. Okay, then. I'll see you later, I guess. Okay, goodbye, Mom. I gotta open this door!
Oh, bro, what are you trying to do, bro?
trying to open this door.
I tried that earlier, bro. It didn't work. Like, oh my god, bro. You're actually gonna break your...
What did I tell you? Yeah.
Wait, are you even gonna try and open it?
Huh? Oh, shoot.
I tried to open it already. It didn't work.
When did you try?
When I was with Zombie Wolf.
Ugh.
Not gonna open like that.
You know what? Screw this!
Wait, what the frick are you seeing? Whoa. Oh, you're so strong.
Yeah. Ugh. Okay. Okay, it should be down here. Shoot. Okay. Alright, this is Zombie Wolf's room. Maybe it's in here somewhere. No. Not in the bed. Why would he keep it in the bed? It has to be in here. The cure. I need to get there. Okay. There it is. Alright, I got the cure. Now all I need to do is get back with it. Oh god, this is kind of metallic. What the? Okay, looks like my ink kind of ruined the door, but that don't matter. Do you hear something? That sounds like running. Okay. Oh, I know where to put it. Yeah. I'll put it up there for now. Ding. Yeah, that looks good. Did the other thing? Okay, good, they didn't. I'm going to bed. Alright, I'm going to bed.
Oh, today was a good run, now wasn't it?
Yeah. It was. I just have to hope tomorrow isn't crazy.